It's my time. My time. You try. Get behind. My time. My time. Get behind. I'm on full force of determination. It's my time to shine. No intentions of procrastination. I'm on full force of determination. The guy wouldn't respect me, try to chastise me, so I gotta let Hattie B go, so HB can take full control. Tried to manage the hate, but my mind was breaking, watching my close friends fold behind closed doors. Lucifer trying to take control, asking your foot soldiers to deliver my soul. You should've let me in, now I'm bound to break through and take this hip-hop game for a spin. I keep it real, cause that's all I know. So all my haters watch my flow, lose control. I'm a beast on this mic, and you know it, that's why. My time to shine. No intentions of procrastination. I'm on full force of determination. It's my time to shine. No intentions of procrastination. I'm on full force of determination. It's my time, and I'm gonna shine. No intentions of procrastination. I'm on full force of determination. Main goal of domination. Big boy ENT, a sacred nation. Always standing behind me with full force motivation. The world tried to stop me, my own kin knocked me. Hands in my heart, trying to block me. Demons roll my back, but God never cut slack. Sent me to a grade A pack, and now HB is back. And to all my haters, I'll never cut slack. So take a number, sit back and relax, cause it's my time. My time to shine. No intentions of procrastination. I'm on full force of determination. It's my time to shine. No intentions of procrastination. I'm on full force of determination.
These niggas tripping out this bitch, hating on my clique. Told you we was next in line. Bitch, we on our shit. I fuck with Hattie B. Went to school with East Street. We been had these crowds, PBE, we running them streets. Ain't no beefing on Facebook with fake thugs and fake looks. Crime lords, but really ain't crooks. Fake verses ain't your fake hooks. You can see the pain in my eyes. My feelings ain't hard to hide. I keep it one stack, and that's the fact. My family gon' ride. I'm gon' smoke until my last breath. Till it ain't no more of me left. In the kitchen ripping beats, cooking up hits like a chef. I pull them choppers off the shelf and shoot like it don't really matter. It may sound cliche, but that bitch gon' go rat-a-tat-a. I put it on my life, I'ma get my time. Believe your favorite rapper can't go line for line. I could never be a failure, cause it ain't in my blood. When I make it to the top, hater sucker left nut. I done gave my life for this. Been through beat, got stripes for this. Your life's a bitch. Those who oppose get froze, no stove, carry heat too when I turn off your switch.